Hey everybody, welcome to your week to post your talent to our Garner Fine Arts Talent Show. We are going to use Flipgrid as the platform to post and view all of our talents. So as you can see, I'm in my Google Classroom. I've got the assignment in front of me. So I select the assignment, tell it to open in Safari, and it takes me to this page. And so the password is rock stars because everybody in GFAA is rock stars. So make sure you use a capital R and S at the end. You hit let's go, and it takes us to our talent show page. As you can see, I've got a couple reminders for you about expectations. You've got 1 minute to show us your skills, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a lot of time to fill in. So you have plenty of time to record your singing or your dancing or whatever you've come up with and practiced last week. Scroll to the bottom and you can see a big green circle with a plus sign. So you go ahead and click that. And some of you may get this notice, some of you may not, depending on if you've installed Flipgrid to your iPad. So I'm actually going to switch over to self-service. So you're going to need to log into Content Keeper, go into self-service, and there's Flipgrid in the middle row on the right side. You can see it has that same symbol with the green circle and the plus sign. So I would install that to my iPad, and then when I go back to this page, then I can say open in app, and it'll pull up the app, and it should automatically link you to our talent show. Some of you may have to log in to your student ID, so go ahead and select your student ID account, and then it will let you post. And so here I am. Here's my Flipgrid. So you can see there's the camera at the bottom you can record. It reminds you that you have a minute, and you've got all these kind of things where you can add emojis to your screen. You can type and text and do all different kinds of fun stuff. So you guys can play around messing with that. If you touch your screen, it changes your brightness. All right, you hit the record. So I'm recording my Flipgrid, I'm recording my talent, blah, blah, blah. If I'm done and there's still time left, I can hit pause. And then I go over here to the bottom right, and you can see a picture of my recording board. So I'm recording my Flipgrid, I'm recording my talent, blah, blah, blah. If I'm done and there's still time left, board. Oh, all right, then now, so I'm recording my Flipgrid arrow. I can take a selfie that shows almost like a thumbnail of your video and take a picture, and then you hit the green button again, and then you can name it, put your name, make sure you put your name, add a title, and then submit video. All right. Now we have the moderation setting on our Flipgrid. So that means myself or Miss Becker or Miss Trammell or Miss Brentham or Miss Daniels and any of the other fine arts teachers have to view your video, and then they can post it where everybody can see it. And then that way you can always also go back into your Flipgrid into that and check it, and you can watch other people's talent shows. Hope you have fun, and looking forward to seeing all your super skills as rock stars. All right, talk to you guys later.